Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful purse cum gift box for Mother's Day, and this is very sturdy purse. You can put many gifts inside this. It can hold approx 250 gram up to 500 gram weight, and I have created this from scratch. From creating base to the handles and the decorations, everything is handmade. Isn't it looking very pretty? And also created this beautiful button by using paper quilling strip. And inside the purse I have put some gift for my mom, which I am going to gift her in upcoming Mother's Day, which is coming on the second Sunday of the May month. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking 12 by 12 inches pattern paper. This is a double-sided printed pattern paper, but you can use single side printed as well. So from left side I have creased at 11.5 centimeters, and similarly from right side also I have creased at 11.5 centimeters. So on both the sides we need to crease at 11.5. Then rotate the sheet, and from left side and right side we need to crease at 9 centimeters. Okay, very easy. Now folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. Then can you see these folded part here in the corner? So vertically we need to cut it from bottom from all four sides. Like this, and then we are going to construct the purse base. So we'll fold the flaps like this. So first of all I am just connecting these two right and left side flaps. From both the sides we have to connect it. Then we have to crease on the last flap using ball tool so that we can fold this inside the box for complete finishing. And also it will make our box more sturdy. So adding glue nicely and sticking it like this. Similarly doing on another side. So the base box is ready, very pretty. Then we have to just push these two upper parts inward like this from both the sides. Very gently push it and it will look like this, like the purse closure. Don't create the crease in the bottom, only on the top we have to fold like this. Now to make the flap for purse, here I am taking 9 by 12.5 centimeter pink color cardstock, and I am just chopping the corners from one side, making it curved. The cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness, and now I am just sticking it on the purse. like this. So it should work like this. And to make the closure, here I am taking the velcro dots in white color. So sticking the soft part on the top panel and the hard part in the bottom. So first of all, I am just joining both the parts and closing the flap and sticking like this. So we have to push it tight so that other part of velcro will connect with the base. Just remember, it should be exactly in the center. And now we can close the purse, and this is done. Then to create handle, I am taking 25 by 1 centimeter pink cardstock strip, and we need total 2 strips to create the handle in front and in the back. So I am just adding little glue on both the ends and sticking like this. Hold it for a few minutes like this to adhere it nicely. So I have attached both the handles, one in front and one on the back side, and also decorated both the handles using this beautiful border design. And to cut the design, I have used white cardstock. Using the same border, I am going to decorate the purse flap as well. So just taking the border and from back side adding glue and sticking on the edges. Similarly, connecting on this side. So the decoration of the purse is completely ready. Now it's time to make the button for the purse. So here I have already prepared some shapes using paper quilling strips, and I am starting with the first shape. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of white color and half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm. My one strip length is 45 centimeters, and I am making here tight leaf shape. So we need total 4 these kind of petals. Then for the next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. We need total 4 teardrop shapes. Now for the next pattern, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. So in total we need 8 these type of shapes. Now for the next petal, I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. We need total 8 petals. And for the last shape, I am taking half strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. So these petals also we need total 8 in number. So all the patterns are ready. Then taking one white color cardstock to adhere in the base of the button, which measures 3 by 3 centimeters, and I'll start arranging all my patterns. So starting with the big size leaves and adding 4 petals to make the flower shape, and then in between I am going to add the remaining shapes to make the pattern. Then in between I am adding white small petals and dark pink petal. Like this. Then I am taking 1/3 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Also I have prepared 2 more tight coils using 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and one dark pink color tight coil which is made using half strip of dark pink in 3 mm. So between these small petals I am first adding 2 1/4 tight coils, and then on the top I am adding 1/3 white color tight coil. And exactly in the center of this motif I am adding dark pink color tight coil. So the beautiful paper quilled button motif is ready. Then taking back the purse, and I'm just decorating this flap using white color confettis. These are made using hole punch machine on white cardstock. So just to make a polka dot effect, I'm sticking these circles. And then sticking the button exactly in the center bottom. Very pretty, isn't it? Then creating 2 more small flowers. To create one petal I am using half strip of white and 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one leaf shape, joining 4 petals together. And for the center of the flower I am adding 1/4 strip dark pink color tight coil. So adding this small flower on the starting portion of handle. Similarly I have added one more flower on left side, and beautiful purse is ready. Now I am just attaching one gorgeous light pink color organza ribbon on the handle just to decorate it little more. Then just opening the purse, and inside this I am putting some gifts. This is having lots of space. Also putting my handmade earrings and closing the purse. Very pretty, isn't it? Now just decorating the bottom edge using dark pink color strip to give the complete look. And the gorgeous pink color purse cum box is ready for Mother's Day. You can also use this box for any other occasion. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.